Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. And welcome to my channel, Easy Learning. Today, I'm gonna tell you some more phrases that you could be used to express yourself in different situations. Let's see some common phrases that we can use to ask how someone is. We always use the sentence, How are you, to ask for the situation. But apart from this sentence, there are many words that we can use. For example, Hey, what's up? What's new? How it's going? How are things? How's life? That means क्या हो रहा है, नया क्या है, कैसा चल रहा है और ज़िंदगी कैसी है. Now, common phrases to say how you are. If someone asks you, like, hey, what's up? What's going on? Don't answer them like, I'm fine, thank you, and you. It sounds robotic and recorded answer, so don't use it. To answer them, you can use the further phrases. Let's see. I'm fine, thanks. How about you? That means मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद. आप कैसे हैं? Pretty good. Or you can say I'm good. That means काफ़ी अच्छा हूँ. Same as always. Same as always. हमेशा की तरह अच्छा हूँ. Not so great. That means इतना अच्छा नहीं. Could be better. बेहतर हो सकता था. Can't complain. शिकायत नहीं कर सकता. Alright, now common phrases to say thank you. To give polite expression, thank you is a very common word. To say thank you is very easy for us because we use it again and again. But to improve your speaking English, you could be use different phrases and words to be polite to others. I really appreciate it. मैं इसकी प्रशंसा करता हूँ. I am really grateful. मैं आभारी हूँ. That's so kind of you. यह तो आपकी दयालुता है. I owe you one. मैं आपका ऋणी हूँ. या फिर हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, मैं आपका आभारी हूँ. So use these phrases according to situation and let's see further phrases. Common phrases to respond to thank you. When someone shows humility towards you, then you should also respond to it. Let's see how to respond to thank you. No problem, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. No worries, कोई चिंता नहीं. डोंट मेंशन इट, इसका उल्लेख न करें. माई प्लेजर, मेरा सौभाग्य. एनी टाइम, किसी भी समय. नाउ while having conversation, how to agree with someone. Let's see. Exactly, बिल्कुल सही. That's so true, सच बात है. Absolutely, पूर्ण रूप से. That's for sure, वह पक्का है. I agree 100%, मैं 100% सहमत हूँ. If you are not 100% agree, you can say I suppose so, मुझे लगता है. I couldn't agree with you more, मैं आपसे अधिक सहमत नहीं हो सकता. To show disagreement, you could be use these phrases. असहमति दर्शाने के लिए आप इन वाक्यांशों का उपयोग कर सकते हैं. Let's see. I'm not so sure about that. मैं इस बारे में निश्चित नहीं हूँ. Not necessarily. ज़रूरी नहीं. Sometimes people hesitate to show direct disagreement because it sounds rude. In this situation, we can use these phrases. Informal or indirect disagreement phrases. For example, you can be serious, right? No way. Actually, I think. Well, in my opinion, you could be used some more phrases or words to say I'm tired. Let's see. I'm exhausted. मैं थक गया हूँ. I'm beat. मैं अत्यंत थका हुआ हूँ. I can hardly keep my eyes open. मैं मुश्किल से अपनी आंखें खोल पा रहा हूँ. I'm gonna hit the sack. Now, common phrases to ask for information. Do you have any idea? क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई विचार है? I don't suppose you will know. मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप जानते होंगे. Would you happen to know? क्या आपको पता होगा? Some phrases to say I don't know. Let's see. I have no idea. मुझे पता नहीं है. I'm not really sure. मुझे पक्का यकीन नहीं है. Beats me. मुझे पता नहीं. I can't help you there. मैं आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकती. Alright, so we can use these phrases in everyday speaking. Thank you so much for learning with me. See you again with new lesson here on my YouTube channel. Like the video, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of further videos. See ya.